What is up guys, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to discuss about the full specifications of Huawei P20 Lite, and we are also going to have a short-term review of the phone. So sit back and relax, and without any further ado, let's get into the video guys and discuss about this phone from Huawei. First of all, let's talk about the design of this phone. If you look on the front of this phone, you will find a thick bottom bezel on the down of the screen and a notch on the top. And for those who don't like this notch, Huawei have given a very good option in the settings to hide this notch, and in my opinion it's very good move by Huawei to satisfy their customers. And if we talk about the back of the phone, it also looks kinda iPhone X type, but the difference is that the flash is out of the ring of the dual cameras, and there is also a fingerprint sensor on the top of the phone which is in between them, so that you can register a fingerprint and unlock your phone. So this is all from the design of this phone, and nothing too new or nothing too much different from other phones in the market. In my opinion, the design of this phone is just fine according to its price, as it is a mid-range smartphone. Now let's discuss about some of the technical things, and we are going to start the things off from the display of this phone. This phone has an IPS LCD capacitive touch screen with 16 colors, and if we talk about the size of the screen, it is 5.84 inches with 80.5% screen to body ratio, and the resolution of this phone is Full HD 1080 into 2280 with 19:9 aspect ratio. In my opinion, this phone has a great display. So next thing which we are going to discuss in the video is the memory of this phone. Memory is the aspect of a phone which is very essential and a crucial topic to discuss. So in the case of P20 Lite, you have a micro SD card and you can put it into the phone. You have a slot for it and expand the storage for up to 256 GB. And if we talk about the internal storage, it is going to be 64 GB, and out of the box only 50 GB will be usable along with the 4 GB of RAM. So in my opinion, in the memory aspect, Huawei provides a lot of options for its consumer. So let's talk about the camera of this phone. It is a very important part of any smartphone. It can either be a deal maker or a deal breaker. In the case of Huawei P20 Lite, it has dual back cameras with a sensor of 16 megapixel and another one of a 2 megapixel. If we talk about the front camera system, it is rated that the sensor is of 24 megapixel and it can record the video from the front up to Full HD. In my opinion, in the case of Huawei P20 Lite, the camera is going to be a deal maker instead of deal breaker. And if you are wondering about the headphone jack, yes, this phone has a headphone jack of 3.5mm traditional old and beautiful headphone jack, which nowadays is becoming very uncommon among the smartphones. So shout out to Huawei for keeping that headphone jack. Last but not the least, we are going to discuss about the battery and the pricing of this phone. So let's start these things with the battery first. This phone has a non-removable LiPo 3000 mAh battery, which in my opinion is just enough, I'm saying, not great but enough to keep the phone alive till the day end. And if we talk about the pricing of this phone is a mid-ranger, and if you live in India or Pakistan, you are going to pay 33,000 for this phone, and if you are in the international market, you are approximately going to pay $300. So this was it for Huawei P20 Lite, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.